Our team is Team Level Up, and we have 9 members in our team.
Today I would like to present the data of loan applications analysis on my team Level Up.
I am from Develop team. Today we have a dashboard in which we have this pie chart.
We have a team of 9 members. Today we are here to represent a project on ऑनलाइन डिटेल डेटा।
उन कंट्रीज में जो हमारी बॉटम कंट्रीज है उसमें उन टॉप 5 प्रोडक्ट्स को ही अभी हम लॉन्च करें, उनकी एडवर्टाइजमेंट बढ़ाएं, वहाँ पे थोड़ा पैसा लगा के।
I am the member of the team Data Pirates. My work is in data, which is inside the data.
We are team achievers. We got a project on insurance analysis for an insurance firm.
If I go for a particular area like central New York, so you can simply see here the maximum benefit, the profit that we get from with the age group of this.
In Brazil, we can see that the sum of unit price by month, the maximum sale is in 10th month.
इंग्लिश बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, खास करके डेटा साइंस वाले में, क्योंकि आपको जनरली जो भी है UK US के क्लाइंट के साथ आपको बात करनी होगी।
Team work 2.5 stars. Very close takkar and 9.5 stars, and the winner is
6 से 7 घंटे का 6 से 7 घंटे में आपको कई सारे प्रोजेक्शन मिल जाते हैं कि इंटरव्यू में कैसे काम करना है।
Hello, my name is Muskan Sharma.
Bhavya Tanwar.
Hello guys, I am Rahul Sharaut.
My name is Tanvir.
Myself Richa Singh.
My name is Nikhil Gupta.
Hello, my name is Vidhi Jain.
Good evening, everyone. Our team is Team Level Up, and we have 9 members in our team. So today we are here to present you the data on loan applications, for which we have divided our team into further 3 sub-teams. And the 2 teams were working on the data cleaning part, and the other team was working on the visualization part. So for further, I would like to call my team member Aman to explain you the data.
Good evening everyone. So my name is Aman, and today I would like to present the data of loan applications analysis on my team Level Up. So I would like to say that we received the data on the loan applications, in which there were so many details which we have, like their incomes and the things they own and the family members details and everything. So this is what we did, and we have gone through this analysis, in which we can see that we have made different charts through which we can see what they have according to their job titles or their genders.
Hello everyone, my name is Muskan. I am from Team Level Up. As the dashboard shows that in the pie chart that there are 80% of females and 20% of males are there in the total data. 59.98% own mobile phones, 16% own work phone, 7% own emails, and 17% owns phone. By clicking on different job types, there are different data of every job types. Like males are 3%, females are 97%. And 251.26 millions are total income. So there are different graphs that shows different things. Now Abhinav will further explain.
I am from Develop team. Today we have a dashboard in which we have this pie chart, which is showing the total bad debt by the applicant on the basis of gender, which we have a female gender in a light blue and a male gender in dark blue color, in which we can also predict that we have to give a proper education to the females with the help of to make sure that they will not have lose in their business.
Hello everyone, my name is Chandrakant Parekh. I will detail you sum of total income. The card is there, sum of total income. I have changed to another like that HR staff. What is the sum of total income?
Good evening everyone, myself Richa Singh. I am from the team Data Pirates. we have a team of 9 members. Today we are here to represent a project on online retail data. Now I hand over to Mr. Nikhil. He will be continuing the project. Thank you.
हमने जो मेन चीज रखी है कि हमने सेल्स एनालिसिस करी है और हमने ये चेक किया है कि हम पे जो डेटा था वो 2 इयर्स का था, 2010 एंड 2011 का। तो इसमें हमने एनालिसिस करी है कि हमारा जो सेल्स है दोनों साल में कितनी हुई और हम 10 से 11 में हमारी सेल्स में क्या इंक्रीमेंट आया है कि डिक्रीमेंट आया है, और हमने इंक्रीमेंट आया है तो कौन सी कंट्री में आया है इसके, और किस प्रोडक्ट को हमने सेल किया जिसमें ज़्यादा इंक्रीमेंट हमें आया है उस पर हमने इसको किया था। सॉरी फॉर डिस्टर्बेंस। तो सर हमारे पास यहाँ पे जो डेटा है इसके अकॉर्डिंग हमने ये देखा है कि हमारी जो टॉप 5 कंट्रीज थी जहाँ पे हमारी सेल्स हुई है उसमें जो नंबर 1 पे हमारा यूनाइटेड किंगडम है जिस पे सबसे ज़्यादा सेल्स करी हमने प्रोडक्ट्स की। और कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स की हमने सबसे ज़्यादा सेल करी है वो है हमारे ये टॉप 5 प्रोडक्ट्स है जो हमने यहाँ पे दे रखे हैं टॉप 5 प्रोडक्ट सेल्स में। अब हमारा मेन टारगेट ये है कि जो हमारी कंट्रीज हैं जहाँ पे हमारी सेल्स बहुत ज़्यादा लो हुई है, टॉप बॉटम कंट्रीज हमारी जो है जहाँ पे हमारी सेल्स लो हुई है, वहाँ पे हम कैसे अपना सेल्स को इंक्रीज करें। तो हमने ये आइडिया देखा है कि जो हमारे टॉप 5 प्रोडक्ट्स थे उसकी एडवर्टाइजमेंट उन कंट्रीज में जो हमारी बॉटम कंट्रीज है उसमें उन टॉप 5 प्रोडक्ट्स को ही अभी हम लॉन्च करें, उनकी एडवर्टाइजमेंट बढ़ाएं, वहाँ पे थोड़ा पैसा लगा के उसको कि मार्केट को ग्रैब करें उन 5 प्रोडक्ट्स की। तो हमने ये ट्राई किया है।
Good evening everyone. My name is Rinkal Agrawal and I am the member of the team Data Pirates. My work is in data, which is inside the data. Which is I inside the data which is top 5 product sale. Top 5 product sale which is UK is the first. And target countries में मैंने I found the target country which is bottom 5 country which is not steel, which is not product sales.
Good evening, everyone. We are Team Achievers. We got a project on insurance analysis for an insurance firm. We generally provide health insurance.
Okay.
So we received data for it and then we started working. So we are working on a project for an insurance firm. And here we analyzed for the insurance company on the basis of reason, age group, a mortality group, and on the basis of sex, whether male or female. And we have analysis done here and it shows the complete dashboard. So further presentation will lead Mr. Atul.
Good. First of all, sir, I create a dashboard insurance analysis. Sir, this is a service area to provide to sum of profit of age is divided into by group age.
Hello. Good evening, guys. I am Naveen Kumar, and here as we are presenting some insurance analysis. So we have some graphs. If we go to select area service as a capital, so we get sum of profit 0.2 billion and mortality risk by age group. We have window age group.
How much they have invested in this 2 billion profit, 0.2 billion? What is the sales amount? This is the profit. What is the sales?
Sales kitni thi? Where's the sales? Where's the sales amount?
Sir,
Check out team. Support, help them.
We have not analyzed.
That is a huge impact.
See,
Sir.
check out this. Do you really think that this is the way you want to present it? आपने सेल्स ही नहीं निकाला है, प्रॉफिट ही नहीं निकाला, कैसे मैनेज करेंगे? हाउ यू गोना मैनेज? कोई डेटा का एनालिसिस कैसे करेगा? हाउ you will analyze it?
Okay, move ahead.
We missed that type of data. Okay.
My name is Harish Goswami. This is a data of insurance with the help of slicer and area wise. If I go for a particular area like central New York, where we get a profit of sum of profit 0.1 billion, and with the help of some donate chart where sum of profit by age group. Here we have a 5 age group in a particular age like 18 to 29 as and do as profit we can see that.
What is the total profit of 18 to 22 age group?
18 to
22 age group. or total profit of all countries.
There is a two donut chart where we get the profits, sum of profit by gender, and another one is sum of profit by age. In a gender, if I go for a New York City, there is a profit in gender wise.
So guys, this is basically our representation that we have do the analysis or regarding our project. Our project is insurance analysis, so we have made details for different segment, different area wise. Like the data that we have participate simply just not divide that data into different like area wise, column wise, and then we have these data. So now I can simply explain. For example, simply the first thing that we have we have divided our data into the segment of area service. For example, the person belongs to New York City, Washington City, and also different areas you can see there. For example, now I'm going to select Southern Tier. So
Yes, it's good.
So when I click here, so now you can say that the total sum of profit that we have calculated. So this is the total benefit that we have. All right. So we have categorized with the help of profit by age. You can see there's a like age group. Nice. We have different age group. For example, the person have age between 18 to 29, 0 to 17, 30 to 49, 50, 69, 70 and above. All right, so you can simply see here the maximum benefit, the profit that we get from with the age group of this 5.31, like 35% that we have profit in this. All right, so the next thing that we have like the sum of mortality risk by the age. We have calculate our mortality risk with the help of age. Like as we have different categories of age, so we have calculate this thing. Now you can say that, like as I already explained, like we have different category 18, 29, 0, 17 and all. So now you can see here the benefit that we have received is 0.12 million, and as you all know that 1 million is equal to 10 lakh in Indian rupees. All right. So this is the chart that you can see here, and now the sum of profit by gender, like simply the gender by male, female. So we have calculated this profit with the help of this. Now you can see here like for gender male, female and then male. So that's all that we have for representation. Anything you can ask so that we can explain.
Good evening everyone, myself Nikki and I am the captain of Team Spartans. My team consists of 8 people. Lavkush, then Raj, and then Areb, then Karan, and Nimish, Bhaskar, and then Ashish. So we have got a project, we have got a data which is based on insurance. So firstly, I'm from bioscience department. So actually, I don't understand how insurance company work. So we have one expert, that is Raj, who explained me how an insurance company works. So Raj, can you please explain what you explained us about insurance company?
Good evening all, my name is Raj Verma. First of all, I will tell you what health insurance company do. Health insurance company take the expenses that was medical expenses that arises due to illness and which was accidentally, like one family is not financially strong, but having the health insurance can help them in difficult times. If we see globally, only 45% of world population have only health insurance, and if we see the population of India, only 25% of population India having only health insurance. Now my friend will explain the dashboard.
So good evening everyone over here. My name is Arif Rabbani. So let me explain about the dashboard what we have gone through. So I had actually divided the project in 4 parts because we can actually diagnose the problem by actually creating the mortality rate, hospital rate and the profit generated. All right. So what I actually got for the dashboard over here, you can actually look about the age-based mortality, like where in what age group we are actually experiencing the maximum mortality over here. So we can actually look over here that the 30 to 49 age group having the maximum mortality over here. So I had actually added the slices over here. So in order to actually get the detail inside about a particular region. So over here we can actually see, if I actually click on the Finger Lakes performance, you can see over the reflection is going over there, and this is the age-based insurance profit. So what it is, it's actually, there's actually a CCS word which actually defines that it's actually a if the CCS unit is below 550, it is actually considered safe.
if it is above the 550, it's actually considered unsafe, and the insurance company will not imply to give you the insurance benefit over there. So if you are below the 50%, 550 of the mark, then you are actually complying in the benefits of the insurance company that it's giving you. All right, let me take you to the mortality rate. Over here, we can actually see there are the top 3 countries who are actually experience the highest mortality rate, and over there the lowest 3 countries who are experiencing the lowest mortality rate. Over here, we can actually consider about that with highest mortality, what we can actually get into it. We can actually get that highest mortality actually directly proportional to the insurance company has to pay a lot of money on the medical supplies over there. And if the countries are actually experiencing the lowest mortality rate, then over there the insurance company can actually claim more insurance benefits over there. And from here, my friend Bhaskar will take over.
So today I have calculated that when we are taking, I have seen a data, and I have seen a column that is CCS diagnosis. I have seen that it is a normal range in a human is 550, and below 550 there is a normal range of human being, and above 550 there is a danger zone for human being. So I have taken analysis of that column, and I have calculated that safe and unsafe data for the insurance. So I have taken unsafe C. We will see first of all for unsafe. So we see here the 30 to 49 range of the people age group is having more age-based insurance profit.
So as we all know that the ultimate aim of the insurance company is to gain profit. So from here we can see that in the mortality rate. So here we can see that the mortality rate for the old people was around 43%. And from this we already know that the company knows that where they don't want to invest. So as a result, the company knows that if they'll be investing in the people for around aged above the 70 years, so they'll not be gaining any profit. So this is the reason where it comes that they are clear about that from where they do not have to make the investment, and from the profit they are getting more than of in the age of 30 to 49.
Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti Sharma. Today I am presenting my presentation within my team member. They are my team member. My team name is the Troopers. So today we discuss about my demographic analysis. So we analyze the demographic. So we discuss about that. What is demographic? I am giving the little introduction about that demographic. This is data predict future invest for any company and venture that analyze of the data. We predict about that as a future state data. Then a provider service provider, you might be interested in the position, seniority level and company to access the proficiency level. So in this graph, we are showing the data like company can provide different product based income type. So we are shows the data, the income type and some of the count of the data. This is a type of education type data. Second, we are introducing about the graph is present the financial company pitch of the pension plan. Like that, any company is less than working the housing on type, it's increase. So companies given the pension plan, so that given the like FD plans, PF plan that depend on the like companies and peoples like that. So further discussion will be about that. Shobna.
My name is Shobna Rajak and I'm from the team of the Troopers. So the next slide I would like to explain that you can see that there is a sum of total income by sum of the total income by the job title. If the person have a higher salary amount, so there is an insurance company who can offer the maximum amount of loan because those employees are able to pay on the timely manner. And the next graph will show sum of the own phone by applicant age. According to the applicant age, you can see that the 22 to 60 there is a highest increasing on the graph because they are using phone, and after 60 the graph is suddenly decreases. So any of the sales company or insurance company, they can sell their product to those of employees.
So hello everyone, my name is Shivam Tyagi. तो आज के हम इस डेटा एनालिस्ट में जो हमने ये किया है, डेटा जो हमने एनालिस्ट किया है, ये हमारा डेमोग्राफिक एनालिस्ट था, जिसके अंदर हम अपना फ्यूचर प्रिडिक्ट कर सकते हैं किसी भी कंपनी में। मतलब कोई भी कंपनी इस डेटा को लेके अपने नीड के हिसाब से अपनी फ्यूचर प्रिडिक्ट कर सकती है अपनी कंपनी बिजनेस को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए। तो हमने अपनी टीम के नीड्स के हिसाब से हमने फाइनेंशियल कंपनी ली है। तो जैसे कि हम इस ग्राफ में देख सकते हैं कि सम ऑफ टोटल बैड डेब्ट बाय जॉब टाइटल। तो इसका ये ग्राफ ये कहना चाह रहा है कि जो हमारी फाइनेंशियल कंपनी है कैन प्रोवाइड डिफरेंट रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू द जॉब टाइटल इफ दे हैव हायर परसेंटेज। तो हम अपनी कंपनी, जो हमारी फाइनेंशियल कंपनी है, वो हमारी कंपनी किस टाइप से हायर पोस्ट पे ले जा सकती है। तो जैसे कि हम इस ग्राफ में देख पा रहे हैं कि जो हमारी लेबर है वो हमारे जो है ज़्यादा उसके डेप्स हैं। इसका मतलब जो हमारी जो लेबर है उसकी इनकम कम है।
Hello guys, so this is the dashboard, and by this visualization we can say that we have insert a slicer first. In that we have inserted country names. By this graph we can say that maximum sales by unit price have done in October month. So United Kingdom, and Brazil has the lowest sales. So in this graph we have shown the bottom 5 countries by sum of sales, and the lowest sales was in Saudi Arabia.
Okay, forget that. Can you just click on any country filter? Hong Kong. So I just want to see the trend of that Hong Kong. What is the trend of last few dates? Like, what is the sale of Hong Kong in let's say 2010 or 2012? What is the next year?
2010 में कोई sale नहीं। So no sales in 2010.
No sale. 11.
21K.
Okay, and have you divided that year into quarters? Quarter 1, quarter 2, like that?
No sir, this months we have.
We categorize only months. Yeah?
Month.
Okay. What is that third graph representing that similar to line chart?
Sir, it
Sum
is
of
the line.
What is that explaining?
It is explaining sum of quantity of country approximate 5k in Hong Kong.
Okay, cool. Pass the mic to another one.
Hello sir, my name is Vidhi Jain.
So Vidhi, can you explain me a little bit about Brazil?
About?
The Brazil country, yeah.
As we can see that this graph shows about
A little louder, please.
as we can see this graph shows about Brazil. So in Brazil we can see that the sum of unit price by month, the maximum sale is in 10th month. The other shows that.
So can you compare the sales between 2010 and 11 for Brazil?
What? Sorry.
Sales comparison 2010 and 11.
As we can see, it is not showing in 2010. So there is no sale in 2010.
Okay. Who made this graph, by the way?
Which one?
The complete this particular dashboard.
Teamwork. It's our teamwork.
कॉम स्किल इंग्लिश बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, खास करके डेटा साइंस वाले में, क्योंकि आपको जनरली जो भी है यूके यूएस के क्लाइंट के साथ आपको बात करनी होगी, समझे। तो यहाँ पे अगर ये नहीं है तो फिर दिक्कत है। ऐसे मेरे पास एग्जांपल जिन्होंने 12 इंटरव्यू दिया, लेकिन जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ कॉम स्किल फेल। कॉम स्किल को तुम इस तरीके से देख सकते हो कि जैसे 4 अचीवर्स है, 4 अचीवर्स, और आपके पास एक बोट है, बोट में 4 अचीवर्स ने नॉलेज डाल दिया, सबके पास सेम नॉलेज है। अब उसे लेकर के आपको किसी एक डेस्टिनेशन पे जाना है, और वो डेस्टिनेशन तुम्हारा क्या है? जॉब। अगर उस बोट को तुम्हें डेस्टिनेशन तक लेके जाना होगा तो तुम्हारे पास क्या होना चाहिए?
बोट आगे बढ़ाते हैं,
चप्पू होना चाहिए। ये चप्पू तुम्हारा कॉम स्किल है। ये जितना शार्प होगा उतनी तेजी से तुम वहां पे पहुंचोगे। अगर ये नहीं भी है तो भी पहुंचोगे, लेकिन 1 साल लग जाएगा। उसमें भी क्या है कि अगर हाथ पर मार रहे हो कुछ टाइम तक जाओगे, अगर थक गए तो फिर वापस लौटना पड़ेगा, अगर नहीं थके तो पहुंच जाओगे। सिंपल सा है। इससे आप उसमें बोलते कितना जरूरी है, इसी से आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो कितना जरूरी है। कॉम स्किल तो बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है।
वैल्यूएशन क्राइटेरिया है कॉम। हाँ, इंटरव्यू क्लियर करने का पहला क्राइटेरिया कॉम।
Guys, he is the interviewer and he is revealing this part, so better you just focus on this.
विदाउट इसके आप एक्सप्लेन ही नहीं कर सकते ना। जाकर के आप हिंदी में बोलना शुरू कर तो सुनना ही नहीं चाहेगा। तो इसके लिए हम लोग पीडी क्लासेज भी देते हैं और ये पीडी क्लास लेते हैं।
हाँ भाई।
सर ठीक है। तो
Okay, Branak, and the second one is the data pirates, DNF team, right? So very close fight, I must say. Why it happens, why we lose it, you guys can self-realize it where we lack. Okay, so talking about the numbers, Branak, if we talk about the knowledge, जो भी product knowledge से stars में हमने mention करी है, let's talk about the Branak knowledge 1 star, presentation 3 star, com skill 3 star, teamwork 2 star. So total is how much? 9 star total, right? That's what you earn. And the team pirates on knowledge 2 star, presentation 2.5 stars, com skill 2.5 star, teamwork 2.5 stars. Very close takkar and 9.5 stars. And the winner is Pirates. Can you have a clap for it? It was very difficult. आप लोगों से थोड़ी सी चूक हुई। All right, Choppers, if we talk about the knowledge, they started giving answers the moment they said Choppers, knowledge 3 star, presentation 2.5 stars, com skill 2.5 stars, teamwork 3 stars. Okay, now talking about level up scored knowledge 3 star, presentation 3 stars, com skills 2 stars, and teamwork 3 star. What's the number? Level up 11.5 stars winner. Team Achievers and Team Spartans. Oh my god. ठीक है. Team Achievers, if we talk about your numbers, let's talk Team Achievers. Knowledge 2 star, presentations 2 star, com skill 3.5 stars, teamwork 2 stars. Justified? The total number is 9.5 stars. And if we talk about the Spartans, knowledge 3 star, presentation 3.5 stars, com skill 3.5 stars, teamwork 4 stars.
ये कौन सी टीम है?
The highest scorer 15 star winner.